Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options trading journey. And today, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Thank you so much for making us a part of your morning. So grateful for those of you who watch the replay. Shout out to you. And thank you for your support. Shout out to the team as they enter the building. Might be trading a little light today. We might have some team members taking a little early vacation, but majority of the usual suspects will be in the building. Those traders who you guys know and love. Big Money Lance has just entered the building. Dr. J has just entered the building. Good morning to both of you. And as always, let's make today our best trading day ever. Following our plans. Taking what the market gives us. Hope you guys are ready to rock and roll. And if you have any plans that you would like to share, please feel free to put them in the chat. Let us know what you're looking at, what you're thinking. Got a couple plans myself. Go ahead and share those. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I am interested in a 600 put, taking it down to the 599, possibly down to the 598. I'm also interested in a call, potentially taking that from the 600, if it will allow me, all the way to the 601. $601.27. I think that's what I got there. 601.7. Exactly where I wanted to be in at. Todd Macon, good morning, buddy. A lot of volatility this morning. A lot of volatility this morning. Beautiful trap set up by the bulls to catch those early bears, forcing them to now cover, which they are going to have to do. I'm going to take some of that going back the other way. Beautiful shooting star was put in. Beautiful red to green move. Market potentially is setting up for a washout long. And I wanted to go ahead and get involved with that. Saw the opportunity. And I am now committed to the trade. A little bit of early action today. Very solid plan all the way around. As I also had plans to get in a call to get in at the 609 area. So I am a little early on that. We topping out at the 608. I wanted to get in a little bit above that. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out. Potentially. I'll take that. That just reiterates the move to the downside. What a move. Still like it. At the bottom of that controlled selling algo. Lance, I like to put now, right about now. If we're able to close this 5-minute candle outside of this, so that way we don't get caught with the wick, but there is a potential put here. Looking at the 1 minute. And that's exactly why I have not entered it yet. Strong rejection. Ideal entry area for me is the 600. But would love to see a 5-minute candle close in this area first. Let me go ahead and set some alarms. Interested in a call above the 601. Interested in a put. Below the 600. $30 seconds left on this candle. Looking at the 1 minute and the 5 minute, both are giving me what I want to see. Now I want to see a close. We didn't get it. I don't like it. Standing down. Good morning, Desired Reality. Watching and learning today. Beautiful thing to do. Market starting off a little bit choppy. I have two alarms set, one at the 609, one at the 599.6. Thank you, Desired Reality. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for that. You're far too kind. And if you have any questions, please just feel free to let me know. Reach out to me. Well, I am definitely going to let system play out today? Took a paper cut earlier. Being patient now till 10 o'clock. Giving the market a little bit more time. Gonna look at the 5-minute charts until we see something really clearly set up. Do not have up pre-market. I do not have up pre-market, but I am still showing this controlled selling algo that we are in. A lot of wicked action. What's the volume like for today? Volume way down for today. I'm going to be very cautious today. Only look for an A+ setup. I do need to add pre-market because this is the top of the algo. You just can't see it. And then we have a controlled selling algo, and we are at the top of it. I did have to pull up pre-market so that everything will line up correctly, so you can see why we're having a rejection here and why also it is at the 609 area that I'm interested in a call. Very low volume today, so I'm not quite sure how to approach that. My instincts tell me to stand aside. Largest volume candle was the first 5 minutes, and we've been dropping off ever since. Let me blow it up. Look down here to the bottom. see exactly what I'm saying here with these arrows. Market clearly in a state of indecision. Let's look at my larger algo. Check this out, Lance. And the rest of the team, she came right down to the bottom of that control buying algo and bounced right off of it. As I am looking for a put below the 599.9. Everybody say the 600. I'm looking for a call truly above the 601, but will entertain something above the 600.9. Currently, this is where we are. A state of indecision. Even yesterday was a little bit of a rough day as the market and its participants may simply be in transition. Big difference when you start looking at previous days candle bodies. Nice full size candle bodies. Okay. But coming up to yesterday, small bodies, dojis, small bodies, more dojis, more small bodies, and then a huge rejection at the end of the day of the new all-time high. New rejection of that. Very interesting. With extremely low volume. Again, I'm looking at the size of the candles, the fullness of them, and then now leading up until this week, we've been getting scarce. Tuesday morning, Monday morning was the last solid trading. Even this beautiful hammer here Monday afternoon wasn't well received in its entirety. Just don't know if these are good trading days. Might be good investing days. Some days are good for investors. These choppy days, because it is still slow grinding up. Big Money said there's only been a range of 30 cents in the close to the money options. Yeah, I'm seeing the telltale signs, Lance, for us to act like our teammate Desired Reality. And just watch today. No real reason to put any money at risk. The volume simply is not there. The attendance. Might be opportunity upon us right here. The 10 o'clock candle. If we are able to have a move down, I would like to see an increase in volume, but our largest volume candle has been of the bull so far. That's nice, but again, it's not what we want to see just yet. So there's a fake out candle. You see that? My goodness. My goodness. No, sir, team. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I strongly advise against today, unless there's a clear A plus setup, because without the volume, we're not going to get the follow through that we're looking for. It's going to be a very bumpy ride, and that will wreak havoc on your options. So I will be leaving it alone. Still have my alarm set at the 599.9. I still believe that's a money making area if we get to it. Five full minutes left before the new 30-minute candle. Strongly advise that we look at the larger time frames on a day like today. Please don't get confused or sucked into that 1 minute. In fact, I am going to just pull up the 5 minute. And we're looking at these 6 candles. There is no trading pattern, no trading reason to participate in the market right now. Looking at what we're given right here. That's all we can go by. As the 10 o'clock candle comes upon us on a very light day, to be honest with you. This is our range. And as our teammate Lance pointed out, slim pickings. We did get a nice push on the volume on that 950 bearish move, but there was no follow through, no continuation. Well, let's give it until 10 o'clock, shall we? But there are days to trade, and there are days to stay away. This is looking like one of those days, in my opinion. And thank you, Lance, for sharing that critical information with us. It's very important we know how the options are moving. We will be wrapping the live up early today at 11 o'clock. It seems like the market is taking a break. Seems like we'll take one too. We know what we want to see. We know where we want to see it. Again, interested below the 600 in a put down to the 598. Interested in a call above 601, but even a small entry above the 609. Standing aside, quick shout out to our sponsors. PaidPen.com. How to start making money from home. Great day to do that today. Up to $5 a letter, $50 an hour. We'll tell you what to write, what to write. We even check your first letters to make sure it is correctly. If you have the time, Paid Pen is for you. This is great for college students, stay-at-home moms, or anyone who has the extra time. PaidPen.com. Shirts for traders. You're a trader, right? Well, then look like one. Some of the most best quality trading t-shirts available on the market for men and women. Some of the most beautiful trading t-shirts that you can own with some of the slickest styles. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. Plenty shirts for every day of the week. They even have mugs and things of this nature. Beautiful, beautiful shirts. Pages and pages and pages of shirts. Like this one here too. Professional risk taker. That is what a trader is. Professional risk taker. Shout out Shirts for Traders. Don't forget the S.com. And of course, fallopian tube formula. FTFsystem.com. Do you know someone who wants to get pregnant, but they're having a hard time? Well, maybe we can help. We've helped hundreds of women get pregnant naturally with our clinically proven system. Maybe we can help you too. FTF is the alternative to IVF. Do something different. Go to FTFsystem.com today. And of course, that algo finally starting to get a little bit of action here at the 10 o'clock. Let's see if it will carry through and be enough to make me want to enter a position. Well, that was enough to make me want to enter a position. As we did get the breaking in the area that I wanted to see. That could take us a little bit further down on the move itself. Stretching out those profits. Well, golly. That is it for me. 2 trades, 2 paper cuts. I'm done. Let me go ahead and take a picture of this so I can keep a track of my trades as well. Yep, but that just goes to show you why I was already in a mind frame of allowing the day to go by because we just don't have the volume for the follow through that move would have normally provided. But desire reality, I do want to point something out to you as well. That even though I took a loss on that trade, the amount of money that I lost was already predetermined. And I didn't lose not one penny more beyond that amount. As soon as I entered the trade, I protected myself and my bottom line with a bracket order that included a protective stop. So if the market goes against me, bam, automatically take me out at this amount. So therefore, to me, that was just the cost of doing business, as no trade will ever have a rate of 100%. And we don't know, even if you have a trading rate of 80%, we don't know out of 10 trades, are these going to be the 2 losers. But we know that overall, sticking to our system, we will be profitable because the main thing that we are in control over is our risk. And I was mentioning to the team last week that I want us to get to the point here where we no longer brag about our wins, but we brag about our losses. How little we lost. How small of a paper cut we took. That is what is going to keep us in the game for the long haul. The wins will take care of themselves, but it is up to us to protect our bottom line. We're still in the channel. Big Money Lance said there is some downward pressure, but it's just not enough. Let me show this controlled selling algo real quick here. If everybody looks up to your screen, you will see it as I go ahead and highlight it. And here we are. This is that controlled selling algo that we have been in. Hit a high of 601.77. After that, we started putting in lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. I was looking for a put to continue the trend, continue the structure to the bottom and put in a lower low. Now I've reassessed. Not even interested until we get below the 599.7 if I take a trade at all. If I do take one, it'll be a give me, because this white line represents control of the week. Right now, the bulls have it, but they are facing a controlled selling computer algorithmic trading with very low volume. That is what makes it dangerous. Not getting the follow through. The market just lulling, hanging around. I've drawn the little box that we're in. Got a couple toes outside the box. Couple toes outside the box. But for the most part, the body in the party has been real small. And a little bit of a closet, you want to say. We've identified nothing is going on. Sitting on the sidelines, Brooks Sanchez says, I don't like what I'm seeing, but in the meantime, I'm reading over the new playbook, which is pretty dope. Thank you for that as well, Brooks and Desire Realty. Your feedback, your thoughts, please go ahead and feel free to DM me. Anything I could do to make it better. And one thing that as I upgrade it on my end, it's automatically upgraded on your end when you refresh it. So I do have quite a few new plays, examples that I will be adding, and I have a new trade as well. Can't thank you guys enough for that. Hope you're enjoying this very slow day, but nonetheless, we're all here together. But I have my alarms set. I know what I would like to see. Oh yeah, that was crazy. Yep, that's it for me today, guys. That was nuts. What a rejection at the 599.9, which is why I moved my alarm down to the 6. Off subject, where did you get the music from? Did you create the music or do you have a specific channel? Teaser nuts. Yes, I just typed up duty free, royalty free, because the channel is monetized now. So I just can't play anything or have anything playing in the background as I used to. I don't want to get any copyright strikes. So just to keep you from hearing my voice all the time, I play a little background. And the way I feel, don't know. I create music that's within this kind of soul. Man, Brooks, not only would that be nice, but it would be nice for let everybody know. What I can then do is attach that in the description. So if people like it and they want to download it on their playlist, they can go in my description and it'll take them right to your channel. As we do have quite a few people now who do watch the replay. Alhamdulillah. So anything I can do to help, buddy. Absolutely. Looking forward to coming down there to Miami. Once we get a little bit larger, you know, we're going to take a little poll and see if we can get some live boot camp trading down there, a couple trading days, like maybe a Thursday, Friday, you know, and a Saturday where I come and trade Thursday, Friday, live with you guys, and Saturday we just, you know, just do Q&A and just go over some stuff, you know. Definitely looking to put the show on the road. Did you guys just see that? That man, I'm so through with this, I tell you, man. Yeah. Got a nice RV I wouldn't mind putting on the road. Guys, that is about. Oh man. That's my first stop, Brooks. We coming to you first, buddy. The sun, the weather, the hospitality, the food. Oh yeah, we coming to you first, man. It's definitely gonna be a great time. So once we get a couple more people that want to join us, let's see who else might be in the area. You know, we don't even need a lot. You know, I like keeping the circle small like Cheerios. It keeps it very genuine. You notice we don't have any trolls on here. Everybody who comes on is genuine about learning and contributing. Doesn't matter what level they're at. Everyone still has something valuable to contribute. And I think it's appreciated by all. This is something. Is there another algo in this? I think it is. I think it is. I don't like it. It's so choppy. I just don't like it. It's so choppy. That's what we was waiting on, man. I did get in this trade. Knowing what's at the 599.5 area. Can we make it to that? Good question, Desire. Reality. Break of demand. That is the name of this particular play. This is a break of demand trade. Concerned about the volume. Lord, that was ugly. That was ugly. That was ugly. Wow. That was ugly. Man, I'm so glad I got out of everything. Woo. That was ugly. Man, I'm so done. I'm so done with this volume. That's right, team. Let me be the one to take one on the chin for the team. Leave this alone. This is super crazy. Man, it got me. It's the volume, the weak volume. Man, the volume is crazy. Let me see where it's at currently. 500,000. Right. Yeah. Again, shout out to you, Lance, because that 1 minute chart moves faster than the option chain. The 1 minute chart moves faster than the option chain. So you can really prevent disaster if you move quick. I'm so done with today. Nothing I can't do, make up in the days. Hey. Yeah, the volume went on vacation as well. Everybody's gone. So am I. That's the last thing I want to do is take a loss and then I can't even trade tomorrow. Nah, you know what I mean? Right, the whole team showed up. Big Money Lance said he's looking forward to Miami soon. He's got family there, and now you would be fun to trade. Reds live together would be really fun, Lance. Oh, we gotta make it happen now. Big Money Lance too. Big Money Lance, you gotta reach all over the world, don't you? Oh wow, that is gonna be exciting. We definitely gonna have to put something together, narrow it down, look at some spots, you know, find a nice hotel, get a nice banquet room. It's got plenty of electricity. So we all be able to plug up. Oh yeah, it'd be awesome. I have a really good hookup for Airbnb, big house, Red Home. Oh wow, that'd be nice. Yes, sir. Yeah, who knows? He might even be next door to Nori. Yeah, put them all on alert. Let them know some real change is coming to town. Now, even on the 5 minute, right? Let me go ahead and pull this up real quick. Beautiful, nice green hammer. Not enough volume to get the follow through. Even this would be nice. A nice red to green move. It would then force all of the bears to cover, flush them out. But even with this hammer, that is typically a bullish reversal signal, we're not getting the follow through. You look over here in the volume is in the thousands and not the millions. We're only dealing in the hundreds, thousands, and not the millions. We're still gonna rock till 11 o'clock, because you just never know. But I'm definitely sitting on my hands, as I have been spanked. We did, however, identify another very strong selling algo. She is choppy. Wreak havoc on your option price, even though she's moving in your desired direction. This would absolutely wreak havoc on your option price. How about that? How about that move? With a minute and 30 seconds left on the 5-minute candle. What a move by the Bulls. If it's going to be, it's got to be me. That's what someone is saying that is wearing bull dressing right now. Now has got to be the time. At 10:30 candle coming. Back to 1 minute. Well, on the 1 minute as well, we were right at the top of the algo, which is why the market is retracing from there. See it very clearly on the 1 minute. As far as the breakdown of what's happening within this 5-minute candle with only 10 seconds left. This market has done everything in its last 5 minutes. These last 5 candles have gone down and up and down. True state of chop. But keeping in mind, as we look at the bottom right, there is a weekly candle and a weekly area at stake. And that is the 599.5 area. Let us not forget that. Below this area, the Bulls would lose control of the week. Very critical. And we're not too far away from it. I just refuse to take another stab at it. All unfinished business for me. I don't even know, especially now with Friday. I mean, what's the volume going to be like on Friday? People shopping. You know, I'll probably just put out some videos. I'll probably go live just from missing trading so much. You see what I mean? That's the area, but it's just acting so erratically. Acting so erratically. We know where the area are. We've identified the area. We've identified the algo. There she blows. I know she's tempting me so. It's like, man, why are you doing that to me? But then as soon as I flip the lid, she bounces right back on the 1 minute. Crazy. Back red on the week. Such an important area. Frustrating me. See if we get a break of this algo, and we do not. Let's wait till that 10:30 candle and see what that does. It's gonna be good now. It's gonna be good later. I still had this area anticipated. Don't forget, I already saw it coming. She has just been treacherous in the ride. The ride has been rough. I understand the assignment below here. keeping my. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. That's that retest. We got the break. There's the retest. A little less than 1 minute left. 1 minute left on this candle. At the bottom of the algo. The 5 minute that really matters. The 5 minute that really matters. If you're not careful, this will turn into a hammer. That's what we don't want. 30 seconds left on this candle. We want to close outside of this algo and then the continuation. Let's get back to basics. That is how the trade is done. The close outside of the controlled selling. And then the continuation candle. In this case, the safe will be 599.2. Man. Still freaking algo, man. She is dancing on it, man. She's doing what she's supposed to. She is doing what she is supposed to do. We've identified the algo. That's why they use them. These computer controlled algorithmic trading. Unfreaking believable. You see the control selling, looking for a break out of the algo, not looking to be destroyed, ripped to the upside. Not going to ever allow that to happen. We're seeing the potential for this break. Never really got it. We had one here. We bit there. Took the candy right from us. This would be it right here. This would be a solid move. If it's going to happen. Don't want. documenting my journey as a trader, and it does it. Is that something that would be whoa. Let me get out this trading. Brooks, I'm reading what you said. I almost got my head cracked. Man, did you see that? That was insane. This guy. I can't deal. I can't deal. Cut my computer off. My computer is off. I can't deal. All right, I would like to document my experience with this and put it on a new podcast channel that I would create for this experience. Okay, that's cool. If I'm documenting my journey as a trader and it does it, is this something that you would be opposed of? Nope. Nope. Not a problem. Yes, absolutely, Lance. Small green is better than small red. Brooks will be happy to be a part of your journey, as we are all on our individual journey, and support that as well. So feel free, buddy. And anything I can do. Man, let me tell you something that's really frustrating. For me to see this happening, write this out, know this is the area, and still can't profit from it? Now that's frustrating. The breaking of control algo, and I still, and that just shows you how important volume is. Whew. Look at this. Lance, please tell me you getting this money. Gosh almighty. Lance, tell me you getting this money. Somebody getting this money. It's nuts. So called it right on out. Look at that. Take that what? To the what? $5.99 one. There's the $5.99 one. And then to the what? $5.98. $5.98 one. First profit target would have been hit. I don't know, man. I just couldn't get a hold of this thing. I could not get a hold of it. Damn it, Jim. I could not get a hold of it. Yes, it is Desire Reality. Yes, it is. But I just could not get a hold of it. Couldn't get a hold of it. Saw it getting ready to break the algo. Snap back. I get in a put, she snap back. Get in a put, she snap back. Get in a put, she snap back. And then now she finally give up the goods. But see, that's volume. See? That is why volume is important. It's not the pattern. pattern is definitely there. The pattern works out, but we just didn't have the volume to go with it. And I will accept that. Unbelievable. Definitely will mark this one up. Had it written out. Knew exactly where we wanted to take it. Wanted to get in at the 599 little area, 599.7 to be exact. Wanted to take that to the 599.1 and then to the 598.1. Just was not a smooth ride. Very low volume today. Very low volume. What can you do? I can tell you, if I'm alive, who will not be trading this time next year on this. You know what I'm saying? I won't be trading. It'll be live from the fishing boat. It's Abdul Shabazz going fishing. Yes, sir. Lance said he's going to bake some cookies right now. I know, right? I don't blame you. Desire Realty says she's not even trading. They're not even trading until next week. Monday, maybe Tuesday. So I don't blame you. Friday might be like this as well. So, man. Incredibly enough, I haven't placed a trade yet, but I think I'm going to do a few things and come back this afternoon. Nonsense, which is what it might look like. Definitely started learning and trading a month ago, and so far lost my first 1,000, which I was prepared for. This next 1,000, I'm being a lot more careful. Awesome. Love to you all. We'll check in Friday. Thank you, Lance, for tuning in. And Brooks, kudos to you for your discipline. Desired Reality, we are definitely going to take you up and past that $1,000 this next week, God willing. So that is going to be my goal, to get you over $1,000 this next week. We're going to do it day by day. Much love to you all. Let's go ahead and wrap the show up for today. The market is crazy. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Let everyone go ahead and be safe. This is Abdul Shabazz for some real change stock options trading journey. Thank you for tuning in. Be safe. Don't eat too much. Look forward to seeing you Friday, inshallah. Bye for now.